Today we're talking eyes, the windows to your soul. Analyzing eye color is one of the most important aspects to look at when analyzing your personal coloring. By taking a close look at all the beautiful colors that are within your eye, and you'll be shocked to figure out just how many colors you have in your eye. By utilizing any of those colors as makeup or clothing to wear, it's a surefire way to look stunning every time. So today I'm going to be showing you blue-based colored eyes versus yellow-based eyes, so that when you're looking at your own eye, you'll be able to tell whether you are blue or yellow-based. Welcome to Beauty and Soul Studio. I'm Sophia Knapp. This is part 6 in the 12-part series all about the blue-based, yellow-based color system that you can use to your advantage to find color, harmony, and peace in your life. You may be surprised just how many colors make up your eye. Recently, I went and visited my grandma Renae in Las Vegas, and she pulled my colors from my eye, and I loved all the blues, grays, and yellows that were in my eye. You'll find that you will love all the colors that make up your eye as well. Here's some behind-the-scene footage with my grandma.
Okay, this is so fun. I'm going to do Sophie's colors the way we did it in the 80s and 90s. I'm going to do exactly her eyes, hair, and skin tones. That's what that means. And the only time it does you any good is if you do exactly your eyes, hair, and skin tones. And those are the colors that are going to make you look wow, make your eyes pop, your skin look gorgeous. Okay, we already know Sophie says blue base. Okay, feathering between the the iris and the ring around the iris, there's these tons of feathering colors, and she's got these.
Whoa.
Right there.
That is really cool.
Do you like those colors?
I love those colors.
Okay, all these light blues right here.
Oh, those are super pretty.
Oh, Sophie, this is it. We hit the payload. We hit the payload. This is her.
I believe there's that many colors in my eye.
Yeah. See?
That's crazy.
People think they have 1, 2 colors. Not true. You have tons of color in your eyes. Every race has tons of colors in their eyes. I've done tons of people, their colors in Japan, all over the world. And those big brown eyes are not just big brown eyes. They usually had a ton of blue, plum, purples, everything in there, green.
Wow. We're going to start by looking at blue-based eyes. So one easy way to tell if you have blue-based eyes is actually by looking at the skin around your eye, especially right here in your waterline right here. So if your waterline is rosy pink, it's not beige, it's not peachy pink, but rosy pink, then that's a sure indicator that you have blue-based complexion, blue-based undertones. Blue-based eyes are bright blue, red-brown, forest, lime, or blue-green. Blue-based blue eyes are brilliant blues, and they have like a blue-gray cast to them. You can find icy lemon, yellow hues in blue-based eyes. If you have blue-based brown eyes, then it's either going to be like reddish brown with possibly a purple ring around the iris, super beautiful, or like a deep, rich, chocolatey brown if you have really dark brown eyes. Another very common blue-based eye is green with reddish brown specks and lemon yellow around the pupil. Okay, now if you have yellow-based eyes. So yellow-based eyes, you can look around the skin and it's going to be peachy pink or beige. You can actually also look at the veins in the eye itself, in the white part of your eye, and that's going to be orange instead of like a rich burgundy red. It's going to be orange red. Actually, that's another thing you can look at is the whites of your eyes. If you have more creamy white eyes, then that's going to be yellow-based. And if it looks almost blue-white, very snowy white with a little tiny blue cast, then you're going to be blue-based. A yellow-based dark brown eye may have a flat or muted navy around the iris. This is different than the blue-based eye that had more of that deep blue or that purple. This is more of like a flat navy. And lighter brown eyes with yellow undertones are more of that orange brown instead of a reddish brown. Yellow-based blue eyes are more gray blue than blue-based. In yellow-based hazel eyes, the yellow is more golden and the greens are more olive. Were you able to identify with any of these eyes that you saw today? If so, please leave me a comment in the section below and let me know if you think you have blue or yellow based eyes, and let me know any questions that you have. Remember, any of the colors in your eye will make beautiful colors to wear as makeup and clothing and will really accentuate your natural beauty. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video where we continue to create peace and harmony in your life with color.